In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana Forms in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned Asana user or someone new to the platform, this tutorial will guide you step by step in efficiently setting up forms within your project. Without further ado, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is head over to the Asana website. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to their homepage. Once there, you'll find the login button conveniently located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will prompt you with several login options, but for today, we'll be using the Continue with Google option. Go ahead and select it, then choose the Google account associated with your Asana workspace. With your credentials verified, the next step is to access the specific project where you'd like to incorporate a form. On the left panel of the Asana interface, you'll see a list of your projects. Simply click on the one relevant to your task, and it will open up the project's board or list view. Once in your project, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you will see the Customize button. Clicking this will expand a menu of available customization options tailored for your project. From this menu, select Forms. This option lets you create forms that can streamline how feedback, requests, or any input is gathered from your team or clients. It's an incredibly helpful feature if you want to ensure all necessary information is collected in an organized manner. Now that you've clicked on Forms, look for the Add button, which allows you to initiate a new form. Upon clicking it, a form editor will appear. This is your playground to customize areas that suit your project needs. Here, you can add fields specific to the type of information you require, be it text entries, multiple choice questions, or checkboxes. It's beneficial to spend a moment considering what questions or data you need, ensuring the form is comprehensive yet concise. Once you've tailored the form to your specifications, the final step is to publish it. Scroll down to the bottom of the editor where you'll find the Publish button. Clicking Publish makes your form live and shareable with team members or external contributors, allowing them to submit their responses directly to your project. And there you have it. You've successfully set up and published a form in Asana. Remember, this tool is great for enhancing collaboration and tracking tasks efficiently, so don't hesitate to revisit and refine your forms as your projects evolve. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to explore more features within Asana to take full advantage of its capabilities, and feel free to leave any questions in the comments section below.